Welcome guys, if you want to check if this JBL Charge 4 speaker is still charging, as you can see the USB-C cable is plugged right here at the back. The lights are up, and to check if it's charging, just rotate like that. Take a look on these indicators. As you can see, the last one is still blinking, and it means that the speaker is charging. When this last indicator stops blinking, it means that speaker is fully charged, so you can unplug the cable. And by the way, right here you got the battery level of your speaker. So the first one is 20, 40, the third is 60, another one is 80, and the last one is 100%. So that's all. That's how it looks on the JBL Charge 4. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.